Okay, everyone. Today I will tell you why you should never ever flick the light switch in somebody else's house. Especially in a public building. And you will be kicked out of the party people are hosting in their house if you do something like this. That is a no. That is not okay at all. Remember, if you cut the power off, nothing will work anymore. And you will mess up the smoke detector. Do not tamper with it. Even the ceiling fans and the light fixtures, do not take them off the ceiling. Do not take the bulbs out of them. Do not take the globe out of them. Do not change the speed or the direction on the ceiling fans, and do not flip the blades around. Especially don't do this in a public building. That is a no. You cannot mess with that at somebody else's house. Now, if this is your own house, you can do this. But if this is somebody else's house, never ever do this. Remember, to respect people's property when you are in their house, and do not flip the light switch like this. If people were in my house, they will not do this, or else they will be kicked out. Bye.